The oldest continuous library in the continental United States is located in Darby, Pennsylvania. The library was founded in 1743, but the Darby Free Library's current building, built 1872, was previously repointed with an incompatible cement-based mortar and was causing major damage to the library's internal structure. The LimeWorks.us technical install team trainers were called down to provide training on the correct care and usage of our ecologic lime mortar for the restoration team. From the proper mixing to the preparation of the wall and care of mortar with burlap afterwards, the library is in good hands as the repointing takes place. Much has changed since a group of Quaker residents founded the library, but today the building continues to welcome the entire community, now protected by materials and methods designed to last for generations.